As community cases of coronavirus continue to grow, Governor Ricketts is asking for nearly $60 million to help stop the spread of the virus that's impacting so many in Omaha and the entire state of Nebraska. Reporter John Madden has more from the governor with what money would be going toward.
By and large, Nebraskans are doing the right thing.
Restaurants closing their dining areas, social distancing, and lots of people staying home were all things Governor Ricketts praised Nebraskans for in the battle against coronavirus.
We are working with the legislature on an emergency package, an emergency appropriation.
But with more than 30 cases as of Friday afternoon, including the first case in Lincoln, he's asking for more help.
Requesting $58.6 million from the state's cash reserve fund to be transferred into the governor's emergency fund for us to be able to use to fight the spread of the virus here in our state.
More than half of that nearly $60 million will go towards the Department of Health and Human Services to provide protective services to first responders and to increase staffing not only for DHHS, but veteran hospitals and their care facilities.
So we expect that there may be surge staffing required, especially paying overtime if we have some of our teammates who may need to stay at home because of child care issues or if they're quarantining.
The rest would go towards Nebraska Medicine to provide more lab equipment, among other things, and to expand testing, which again was a big topic of discussion.
We want to expand testing, and everybody hears about why we can't expand testing. And one of the reasons is because we had a limited supply of testing kits.
Health officials hope the Nebraska Public Health Lab will be able to grow the number of tests per day to 400 to 500 in the near future, starting with healthcare workers.
And so there'll be priority items to get tested if they develop symptoms. Same for first responders. And then our long-term care, our nursing care facility patients.
But it all takes a community effort to stop the spread, and Ricketts wants everyone on the same page.
This is something that we need people to take seriously.
In Lincoln, John Madden, 3 News Now.
Governor Ricketts says he's currently working with lawmakers on the requested funds and says there is no time frame set on when and if it will be approved, but is hoping for sometime next week.